welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry for my dirty hands, but I've been playing with paint. So what I want to do is use some leftover paint on this cakeboard. And I'm going to do a circular swipe. And I'm going to put all these metallic paints on first. And then I'm going to swipe over it. Let's go for it. I think it looks really interesting. I'm probably gonna make a clock out of it. Let's keep our fingers crossed that it dries nice. Thank you for watching, and I'll show you the dry results. Bye guys! Look at that. It's still wet, but the shimmer is amazing. So I made it into a clock. I used some wooden letters I had in my craft room and placed them on top of the paint. Used a little knife to score the paint around them, and then used a little knife to pull off the skin and reveal the cakeboard underneath that's nice and shiny.